What's up, everybody? It's your boy Killer B, and today it's all about helmets. Stay tuned. I'm back, man. Hey, man, today, man, we talking about helmets, man. Man, y'all put down in the comment which helmet you rocking, man, what kind and what you like about the helmet. But, man, we're going to talk about the helmets that I am rocking today, man. So, man, my favorite helmet is the LS2, man. So, hey, I'm an LS2, man. Hey, man, this is the first helmet here when I had my Honda VTX that I was rocking, man. This is my LS2 Assault helmet right here. So, yeah, this is it, man. It's the first helmet that I was rocking, man. And what I like about this helmet, man, they have the speaker pods on the inside where you can put your little speaker pods if you have speaker pods. And it has the quick disconnect on it. And I love that. Look at that. Easy in, easy out. I done rocked this and forgot to lock my helmet once before when I was riding. And I did it while I was rolling down Interstate 20. So yeah, man, so this is my LS2 Assault helmet, my first helmet, and I still rock it today, man. I'm just an LS2 man. So yeah, man, and then later on when I got my Harley, my Road Glide, hey, and this was denim black, hey, so I had to get a denim black helmet, baby. So yeah, this is it right here. It's a LS2 Assault 2. Also, hey man, and like I say, I put the tinted shade on. It came with a clear shade. And you had a sun visor in here too also, man. Easy up, easy down, man. So yeah, so it's, man, these helmets are light, very comfortable. I hadn't had no neck problems with it at all. So yeah, but this is it right here, the LS2 Assault. They are identical helmets, but I had to get something to go with the Mag Black, baby. I had to get something definitely to go with the Mag Black, man. So man, but I'm here to talk about the new helmet I got. So man, I'm gonna show y'all this helmet here. Y'all look at this helmet. This helmet right here, I'm gonna show you what it does. It came with this backpack right here and everything. Check it out. If you wanna go to the store or whatever, you don't wanna leave it out there in the heat. You can put this on and walk in the store with it. But yeah, it came with this backpack here. Yeah, this is it, man. The LS2 Valiant 2 helmet. This is the helmet I'm rocking now, y'all. It's a little different than the other helmets. It still got some of the same features on it. Still come down with the deal right here. And man, you can rock this helmet all kinds of ways. Yeah, and the helmet came with this, man. If you want to work on your helmet, you just put it on here. You know, you have to blow it up and do all your thing. And it has the speaker pods. Inserts on it too. You see I'm rocking the Cena 10C Pro and camera and headset, man. So it's got ear pods on both sides, man. And it sounds good. Y'all might want to check out the Cena 10C Pro camera. So yeah, but this is the helmet, man. Like I said, it come with this. It come with that backpack, and it also come with the clear one too, the clear visor, and it came with the pin lock. Hey, these helmets, they around $379, but I'm telling you this, if you go find it on Google and find it at a better deal, Harley will match your price, because they did me on this helmet. I found a company that had it 70% off, and I got this helmet for like $260 plus tax. So yeah, and it was well worth it, man. So yeah, but it's a nice helmet. But like I say, man, you can rock this helmet a couple different ways. It's a modular helmet. This is my first modular. I really couldn't get down with the modular helmets at first, but now I can. You can see. Look at it. I'm gonna put it on, show you the different ways you can rock it, man. You can rock it with it all the way back. You can bring the tent down right here. You can rock it like this, or you can raise it up. You can rock it like this, however you want to rock this baby. So then you just pull this up, pull this down here. You can rock it like this, or you can rock it like this. But at night, I do rock it with my sun visor up, and I put my clear glasses on with it. And man, it's a fantastic helmet. I'm just an LS2 man. So LS2, if you're watching, man, hey man, give me an endorsement, man. Now I'm just tripping. But yeah, man, this is what I like to rock, man. I'm an LS2 man to the heart. Great helmet. This helmet does have a little weight on it. It's a little bit heavier than these. But you got all the air vents right here. You just open the air vents right here. You got the air vent to the mouth right here. I try to keep it closed because I do recording while I'm riding. But yeah, like I said, it's got the airflow going back here. So this is an awesome helmet, man. This is a LS2 Valiant 2 helmet. So man, y'all check LS2 helmets out. So like I say, I got 3 of them. Hey, and I'm gonna keep rocking LS2, baby. So hey, so put down in the comment and tell me which helmet you're rocking and tell me what you like about the helmet. But this helmet is very convenient for everything that you want to do, man. You can rock it with everything just with just your face out. So, but yeah, but that's all I had today, man. So man, y'all click the like, share, and subscribe button and keep the tools down, baby, and stay up and have a blessed peace.